Hi Cancer, welcome to the general reading for the rest of August. This is a collective message, so take what resonates and leave the rest. We'll look at your overall energy, challenges, blessing, and guidance for the remaining weeks of August. So, Cancer, let us check what is Cancer's overall energy. So, what we got? We got Two of Swords and Eight of Wands. The month brings you a crossroad. You might feel stuck between two choices, unsure of which direction to take. This could relate to relationship, career, or even a personal matter where your mind and heart feel conflicted. With the Eight of Wands shows that despite feeling stuck, events will begin to move very quickly. Expect a sudden communication, messages, or opportunity that brings clarity. What felt blocked earlier will soon pick up momentum. Spirit is asking you to not to overthink. Movement is coming and you will have to decide swiftly. Now Cancer, let us check what are your challenges. What are the challenges for Cancer? What are the challenges for Cancer? What are the challenges for Cancer? So we got Seven of Swords, Five of Wands, and Seven of Wands. With the Seven of Swords, be cautious of people around you who may not be fully honest. There may be hidden motive or someone might not be telling you the whole truth. The Five of Wands indicate conflict. This could be workplace politics or family disagreement or even inner conflict about what is right for you. With the Seven of Wands shows you standing your ground. This is a month where you will need to protect your energy and defend your choices. Don't let others drag you into unnecessary drama. Now Cancer, let us check your emotional energy. What is the emotional energy for Cancer? What is the emotional energy for Cancer? So we got Page of Cups and Five of Pentacles. With the Page of Cups, it shows that new emotional opportunities are coming. This could be a new friendship, romantic interest, or even a creative idea. It should light, youthful, and refreshing. However, with the Five of Pentacles, there may still be feeling of loneliness, rejection. You may be healing from the past disappointment and wondering if new beginnings are truly reliable. Spirit is reminding you, Cancer, not to close your heart. Sometimes new beginnings or blessing may enter very softly and unexpectedly. Be open to receive. Now let us check, Cancer. What are your spiritual guidance? Let us check. So we got the Star. So the Star is very powerful healing energy. After struggle, there is a renewal, hope, and divine alignment. For many Cancers, August will bring clarity of purpose, healing from emotional wounds, and even recognition from your authenticity. This is a reminder that you are on the right path. Even if the road feels heavy, the light ahead is guiding you. Now Cancer, let us check the final outcome. Now Cancer, let us check your final output. What is Cancer's final outcome and advice? What is Cancer's final outcome and advice? So we got Three of Wands and Justice. The Three of Wands suggests expansion, looking ahead, waiting for results, or even travel opportunity at a distance. Your efforts will begin to pay off, but patience is needed. The Justice card shows fairness, truth, and balance. If you have been wrong, things will come into alignment. If you are waiting for legal, financial, or karmic results, the truth will be revealed in your favor. So, what is the advice? Stay balanced, act with integrity, Cancer, and trust that justice is on your side. So, to wrap up, Cancer, August is about decisions, movement, and healing, while challenges and conflict may test you. The universe is aligning things in your favor. Stay open to new opportunities and protect your energy. And trust that justice and healing are guiding you towards a better chapter. The star reminds you, don't lose hope, your blessings are on the way. So, and that's your general reading for the rest of August, Cancer. If this messages resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future readings. Thank you so much, Cancer, for watching. Sending you love, light, and blessing for the rest of the month.